Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Welcome to video number 5 of my series called One Handgun, One Shotgun, and One Rifle. The handgun that I'm featuring today is a Ruger Security 9. Now if you love the LCP2, Ruger took the technology of that, mainly the trigger and the hammer action, added it to a compact size 9mm with a 4-inch barrel in the Ruger Security 9, and people are raving about it. It does have front serrations, 1913 rail there, very nice trigger, thumb safety on the left side, adjustable rear sight, goalpost there, sight hole indicator on top and the side of the slide, and magazines with 15 rounds. So a nice package, you know, for all that, for right around $300. I think they did a great job, and many people love it, as do I. Let's see how it does. Yeah, it's a nice shooter, and it's been very reliable for me. Owned it for over a year now, never had a problem with it, and disassemble's really easy. Nice job, Ruger, for making a budget price gun that is quality made. Now let's get to that shotgun. The shotgun that I'm featuring is the Rock Island VR80. I recently reviewed this. I'm very much impressed with it. It has an AR look to it, but it's a 12-gauge semi-auto shotgun that's magazine fed that holds 5 rounds. It has a polymer stock, nice grip here, aluminum receiver, aluminum handguard, flip-up sights, AR-like controls, 20-inch barrel, and sling mounts on the sides. This has everything that you want in a semi-auto shotgun for an MSRP right around $699. So we'll figure out what the street price is, but a nice shotgun that sure does work well. Only about 10 yards away here. Wow. Thing sure does work nice. Now let's get to that rifle. The rifle that I'm featuring today is a Hi-Point carbine, 45-95 and 45 ACP. It is plus rated. Check the look of this out. It's hydro dipped in digi camo, skeletonized stock, spring loaded butt pad there. Does hold 9 rounds in the magazine, but check this out. I've got a red ball mag that holds 20 rounds. I've got 15 loaded up right now. It has rails all over the place, right? Underneath the stock, underneath the barrel. I had the front sight removed, but I'm running a Vortex Strike Fire, working really well with this. And whether you love Hi-Point or you hate Hi-Point handguns, because I know it's across the board, there's not much bad you could say about their carbines. They sell for right around $300, and I think it's a pretty good deal. Charger on the left side. Let's see how it does. We're not too far away, about 20 yards. And there it is. I like these red ball mags, 20 rounds. What a nice setup. Happy to have this Hi-Point 45-95. Hey, thanks for checking out video number 5 of my series, One Handgun, One Shotgun, and One Rifle. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.